Day 7. Why we need protein? Ito yung mga dahilan kung bakit. Ang protein kasi, essential Lego piece kasi siya for building our bones and muscles. It also helps us to stay in shape, makes our recovery more faster, introduce muscle loss, builds muscle, and lessen hunger. Recommended intake based on your lifestyle. Pag sedentary, usually 0.8 gram per body weight. Pero pag active, katulad ko, it would range from 1.1 gram to 1.7 gram per body weight. Halimbawa ako, 77 kg. Kung sedentary lang ako, ang required minimum, it would be 61.6 gram per day. Pero kung active naman, it would be 84 to 131 gram per day. Also, protein has much more advanced DEF than fats and carbs. Thus, protein requires much more further energy to metabolize than fats and carbs.